Hey, what's up? Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Ace. I'm back with another vlog. We got an install video on the first new mod, well, really the second new mod, because I put a roof wing on there. I'm gonna drop that video pretty soon, but I want to show y'all I got a new mod for my car. I wanted to make sure I get this thing started because this is the first time I'm doing this on this particular car. So what it is I got a new shift knob, and it's actually a Mugen shift knob. You've probably seen it from the title. Wow. Yeah. If the camera could catch that, yeah, it's a Mugen shift knob. So I'm about to do a quick install video so you guys can see. Nice red and black offsets the interior. Looks pretty good. And this is the old one right here, guys. About to take this off right now. So I'm gonna set the camera right here. Let's get it going. Wow, this thing might not fit, y'all. Thank God it fits. I really thought this thing was going to be too small. Oh, that's my fault. So what you guys want to do is a quick, simple method. guys, I just want to make sure this thing is right. You don't want to strip it. Got it. Kidding me, man? There it is. Oh yeah, guys. It's the finished product for the Mugen shift knob. See, and I got it right to the way I want to. Oh, this thing feels much better. And this is the old one, guys. Yeah, I mean, if you have a 2015 Civic Si and you're thinking about doing this mod, it seems pretty good, man. Let me take it out for a test, try it out. Oh man, that feels so much better. Oh yeah, guys, that's much better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that feels much better, man. Nice new shift knob. Oh yeah, that thing looks good too. It was perfect, guys. Now I'm gonna just let you know, because I didn't share this part with you guys, but if you guys want to do this, it's 4 clips around this whole shift boot, and you take a flathead and you push down on it to get it down, and once you get it down, it's that nut. You use the adjustable wrench and you turn it at the same time to get it to come down. And that's pretty much it, man. Like, it's a simple install on here, and yeah, that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want this Mugen shift knob, I'm gonna have the link with the description in the description for the shift knob. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for sharing this video. I want to say I'm happy that I hit the 500 mark for the subscribers, so I thank you guys, and that's pretty much it. Peace, guys, until next time.